Okay, here we go. Now I'm showing you what's going on here, so you can somehow see all these little branches behind um, this Australian pine tree. I don't know if those branches are from the other tree. It looks like it. And the tree, oh, I see the tree. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna change the zoom. Yep, that tree has broken up. So those are all the branches from the other tree, which has fell on top of it, and many branches from the pine tree. You can see now over there, part of the tree on top of the other thing. So it goes there. Let's take a closer look. Oh yeah, that big tree over there. Now is that tree in our side? I have to check it out. Huh. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. It's this big old tree that fell. So we can see all these branches, horrible branches, and has quite a few. It's huge, and also the tons of branches of the pine tree fell down. Those are branches from the pine tree. All these are branches from the pine tree, and this is the other tree. All this is the other tree here. So we have, there's a big branch that cracked over there, and another one that cracked over there, and that is the neighbor's block fence, which is complete. Just have the branches on the other side. So let's see if I can get another view from here. Go to the steps. Oh, and here is the part that fell to the fence in the back. So it's interesting when we go higher. Oh, I see. It's hard to see from here, so I have to go higher so we can see how it cracked. This portion here cracked, and you can see this portion was connected. This portion here was connected to this, so all this cracked and fell this way, and that is what is going back to Linda Vista. And it's not going to the neighbors, it's just going here, and it stopped right in the fence. All these branches, not this one but the ones in the back, are part of the tree. And there's another little tree there. So got this big chunk of wood that wood cracked. There you go. That it's going to the neighbors.